Hello ma'am, hello sir. Have a good day. My name is Miriam Chernoyba Archaga, 39 years old, from Philippines. I'm a high school graduate and I have 2 children. My eldest daughter is 15 years old and my youngest daughter is 4 years old. The reason why I want to work in Hong Kong is because I want to help my husband to support the study of my eldest daughter. My previous work here in the Philippines is I worked as a babysitter to Mrs. Hernanita Albarico's grandchild last 2021 to 2023. My responsibilities and duties to them is I taking care of a baby. I know also housework like cooking, cleaning, and washing clothes. I'm a hardworking person, honest, loyal, and trustworthy. If you give me an opportunity to work with you, I can assure you that you can trust me and I will do my best. I'm glad and excited to work with you and to your family. Thank you and have a good day.